Okay, this is my watch I got from my uncle, and today we are going to unbox something else. So yes, I bought this from unknown website. This, yeah, yes. I think this is the receipt. I have paid this much. Okay. And see, this is the box. Check the box nicely. Okay. Let's take the box. Since this one is not launched in India, so this is the instruction we get. Let's see what is there inside the box. Okay. Okay. And something else is there. Okay. So we have manuals. Nobody reads it. And this is the charger, or should we say dock. Okay, it's not long, but still pretty good. Okay, then we have the watch itself. So this is the paper or a cover we get. Okay. I think here's the instruction to charge your band. Okay. The straps looks nice. And this is the back side of our watch. And here is the branding, Xiaomi. I will charge it, and let's see whether we can turn it on. So let's compare with my watch. My watch is very big compared to this MI band. Please don't forget to share and subscribe, because I bought this only for YouTube, to review the watch. Okay guys, now it's all set up. So I don't have the USB charger, so all my chargers are C-type. So I will plug this USB to the hub, or you can say connector. Then I will connect it to my watch. Yeah, I think this way. Yeah, this way. Yes, I have connected the dock to my watch. the magnet is really strong, as you can see, and the charging animation looks done beautiful, so yeah, so I have set up this in my office and it looks very nice. Okay, since it's the battery is 100%, I will unplug the dock and let's see what we have here. This is the watch face. I don't know how it looks in the video, but with my eyes it looks beautiful. So this is the another watch face. You can download it from Mi Fitness application. This is the default screen, and this one is more like a necklace style. Yeah, I think you can take out the strap, I don't know how to take it, I'm afraid. Yeah, you can take this, like press this button and take it out, and you can make it as a necklace. Now plug back. It's so beautiful. Then you have these settings, and this is the weather, and this is the status, and oh my god, it's showing BP. Sleeper, and you can track many things, and you can set many things. I think, yeah, you can reconnect, reset.